Here we go. Number 7. This one also uses the double hex base. Here you've got the hex with it in this next layer. And what we're going to do with this one, to start off, you're going to take 3 that are opposite of each other. So in this case, red, blue, and pink. And I'm going to bring them up like I would a gesture hat. But don't take them up too high because we want a lot of tail left over sticking up on the top. So bring those 3 up, and I guess that's a little more maybe hand and a thumb width up. Let's do that. We'll just make each one so they're even. A hand and a thumb width bubble out of each. There we go. And then bring those 3 together. Twist them together just like that. So we've got those 3 coming up in the middle. Now we're going to take our next 3 that we have left over coming here. I'm going to turn it over, rotating out. Preference thing, no big deal. And I'm going to bring these 3, and where they meet just above the 3 that we brought together, you're not going to twist them into this. We're going to twist these 3 together, separate from the other 3, but twist them together just above the other. What we're going to do is a tack weave, or a chain weave, depending on what you're talking about. Chain weave is just a tack weave with multiple in it. So we're going to bring those 3, and I've twisted them together. You can see how the first 3 that we twisted are underneath here. Those come above it. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the first 3, remember the red, blue, and the pink, and we're going to bring them up. I'm going to bring the blue up through the green and yellow, pink up through the green and orange, so that they're alternating in between them. And you see how they're all, each one is going in between one of the other pairs. And then twist them together again. Just like that. What we're basically doing is taking turns, bringing them up above the other set. So now I've brought the first 3 around and up over. So these 3 are down underneath the second group, which is the yellow, green, and orange. So I'm going to bring them back together up above the red, blue, and pink. And again, and you want it a little snug around there to keep it tight. I'm going to bring those 3 together. And again, just bring them up one more round. And you can see how we're forming this is what's known as a tack weave, or it's like a chain weave where you're just interlocking. You can see you've got, looks like links of a chain hooked in there together. And again, now we're going to alternate one more time. And we're going to bring our pink, blue, and red back up to the top. And twist them together above the other 3. And you can either stop here, or if you have enough length in your others, you can bring them up one more time. This is probably going to be the end of them. So I'm going to bring my yellow, green, and orange up one more time. Twist them together. And you've got basically your hex base hat with a 6 balloon tack weave coming out the top now, and then all your stray pieces sticking out. And if you want to put your bubbles on the end of them for character, they don't all come out exactly even every time, but it's okay. It's not about that, it's just about having fun with these hats. So you put your little bubbles on the end of all those, and there's your hat.